Hello students, let us see how to add and how to subtract two-digit numbers with the help of the abacus kit, or you can say this is abacus machine. So simple three sums I will explain how to add and how to subtract. Next remaining you can practice. Students, let us see here. So first we will take this one, 11 plus 55 minus 51 is there. So already you know that we have to take the middle point here and we have to make it clear first. So after making clear, we have to take first number. So this is 11. So here you can see this one 11. I have taken here 11. Next we have to add 55. 55 means we have to take the upper beats here both. This is 50 and this is 5. 55. 11 plus 55, it is 66 here you can see. Now we have to subtract 51. 51 means this one we have to remove 50 and here 1. Now answer is this is 10 and this is 5. So 1 5 means 15. We got here 15. Okay, like this we have to practice. We have to do with the kit and then we have to write the answer. This is the 15. Okay students. Now let us see second one. So you can see here this is 34 plus 55 minus 23. So make this kit clear, okay, friends. Then write 34. 1 2 3 means this is 30 now. 1 2 3 4 34. Then we have to add 55. 55 means afterwards this is 50 and this is 5. So 55. Now this answer you can check. This is 8. Here 9 means 89. In this 89 we have to subtract 23. So 23 means here this 1 2 bits we have to remove, means 23 means here 3 1 2 3. Now you can count. This is 60 and this is 6. Now 66 is the answer. 66 is the answer. Okay friends. Now this is 66. Now let us see one more example. Then remaining we can practice and you can send me the answer through the comment. So make it clear first. So let us see third one. This is 51 plus 45 minus 35. So it is already clear. So now take 51 first. This is 5 and this is 1. So we have to use this thumb. 51. Now 45 means here we have to take 4 bits at a time. You can take 4 and 5. This is upper bit 45. Now after adding we got answer. This is 9 and this is 6, 96. Next we have to subtract 35. So remove this 35 means 10 20 30. 5, this is upper bits, so 35. Then what answer we got here? This is 60 and this is 1, so 61. We have to write this answer 61. Like this we have to practice. So now let us see next sum. 23 add 51 less 54 is there. This you can practice and send me the answer through the comment. Okay, if you not subscribed my channel, please subscribe and share to needful ones. Thank you.